bagikoze kwongera kunafuya enteekateeka zaffe za teekateeka okulaba nga tugenda maaso n'olutalo obw'emirembe obuterezebwa. Ffe nga FDC tetwetabangako omuntu abakulembeze FDC oyinza bayita baterrorists, abakulembeze abantu ba National Defence Conference, abakulembeze ez'enjawulo, abamu bali ku national level bali mu NEC, abalala bali structures ez'enjawulo, National Council, District n'Uganda.
Egenda kubeera ku nsonga za communication, egenda kubeera ku nsonga za leadership generally, kubangula abakulembeze baffe mu nsonga z'obukulembeze, mu nsonga za communication, mu nsonga za leadership za governance. Egyo program olunaku olw'enkya tusooka ku embassy ya Kenya tuteekeyo okwemulugunya kwaffe, kubanga tebayise mu mateeka g'extradition oba deportation. Omuntu wabanga ali mu ggwanga eddala waliwo amateeka g'oyitamu okumukomyawo, either mukola deportation singa aba yayingirayo mu bumenyi bw'amateeka, kooti zeeri zisobola okulagira nti bamudipotinge, oba bw'abanga yayingirayo mu mateeka n'addizaayo emisango eri, kooti ze ziragira nti mumutikke mumuzeeyo ewaabwe. Kati kooti tewali yabatise, oba bakola extradition. Extradition kwe kubanga waleko zizene emisango n'obomba n'oddukanga fugitive weekweke mu nsi endala. Gavumenti yeneesaba negamba omuntu oyo yeekwese eyo tumunoonya bulijjo yazza emisango, nga gavumenti gy'olina naye endagaano gy'aba yeekwese, extradition agreement eyeeri n'emuzza, naye era naye eyita mu kooti bye bataakoze. Kati twebuuza, osobola okukidinapinga omuntu n'omukomyawo eno? Era ensonga emu gye twagala okutwala ku embassy ya Kenya nti amagye agaffe ag'e Uganda gayingira gatya ne gakurosinga boda ne gagenda paka Kisumu ne gayoolayo omuntu oba abantu baffe ne gabaleeta ne gabayisa ku boda nga tebasitampinze na kusitampinga, kuba ku boda tebabasitampingiramu nti bakomyewo, babasitampingira nti bayingidde naye tebasitampinga nti bakomyewo. Kati ekyo ensonga eyo gavumenti ya Kenya yekkiriza ebikolwa ebimenya amateeka ebyo, ekyo tugenda kitwala. Ekyokubiri, tugenda genda mu kooti etaputa ssemateeka, kubanga zino proceeding zimenya ssemateeka, gino emisango gimenya ssemateeka. Nga bwe ngaye tosobola kuleeta muntu n'omukidnappinga n'omugye Kenya, tewali extradition order, tewali deportation order efulumizibwa kooti zeeri, n'omuleeta butereevu mu kooti ya wano. Ekyo kimenya amateeka, kyo tekiriiyo. Bwe balina emisango nti bagiddiza Kenya, baali batwayingidde Kenya, oba balisabye gavumenti ya Kenya ne bakomyawo eno bawesebwe eno, naye toyinza bayoola Kenya n'obaleeta wano. Ekyo tekiriiyo. N'ebirala bye babatulugunyiza ne babasiba kandooya ne babayisa ng'ekyonziira ebimenya Bill of Rights eya ssemateeka, byonna tugenda biteekamu mu kooti etaputa ssemateeka. Tukimanyi nti guno omusango gwa byabufuzi, ekigendererwa kyagwo kya kutulemesa kola nteekateeka zaffe yakweddabulula kuorganizinga, kuba tuli mu process yakwongera kwenyweza obukulembeze bwaffe okulaba nga twaŋŋanga embeera embi eri mu Uganda n'okugenda mu maaso ne struggle yaffe ey'okukyusa obukulembeze bw'eggwanga mu mirembe nga tetuyise mu kuyiwa musaayi. Ng'ekibiina tuli mu kwezza bujja, ng'opposition tuli mu kwezza bujja, tulabe twongera okwenyweza, okwongera okuziba emiwaatwa gye tulinamu, n'okwongera okubangula abakulembeze baffe nga mu by'obukulembeze. Kati ezo enteekateeka ze baagala okulinnyamu eggere, ekyo ekigendererwa. Ekyo tekiriiyo okugamba nti gavumenti y'e Kenya esobola okukkiriza abantu ne tutuula ekisuumu ne tukurosinga boda ne tutuula ekisuumu nti tugenze ku trayininga bayeekera, tugenze kututulayingira batujju mu Kisuumu. Wakati twagala ne gavumenti ya Kenya eveeyo ku ekyo ekyogere nti abantu bakurosinze boda ne bayingira e Kenya ne bateekawo training mu Catholic Center Ekisuumu nga bagenda kukola butujju. Ekyo tekiriiyo. And they are training to become terrorists with the full sanctioning of the government of Kenya, because they knew about it, they cleared it. The leadership of the county government in Kenya, in Kisumu, they knew about it. You ask the county governor, ask the governor of Kisumu. He's there. You ask him if they were not aware of this program, if they were not aware of the existence of this, of the presence rather. You ask the county governor. You know him. You know His Excellency. He's there. You ask him. Were they aware of this program as the leadership of the county government? It was well known. It was sanctioned. It was clear. It was within the heart of the city of Kisumu. They knew about it. So it is ridiculous. It's nonsensical for one to argue or to contend that they were training in terrorism in the heart of Kisumu City. So whatever they are doing is really reprehensible, it's condemned, or rather it's reprehensible, it's horrible, and the kind of treatment they are subjected to is what we have to say. They were being brutalized, they were handcuffed, they were tied Kandoya, right from Kisumu in the middle of the night. They were brought to ESO headquarters here. They were paraded before the press. They have been detained beyond 48 hours, and so that kind of treatment is not only a narrative, but is inhuman and degrading. It's reprehensible, it's deplorable, and it's horrible. That's what we have said, and we still maintain that. And the law is very clear. Once one is subjected to that kind of treatment, even the charges are nullity. And this is what we want to present before the court. First and foremost, we are taking this matter to the Constitutional Court, because the proceedings are a nullity from the word go. They are nullity in the sense that these people have been subjected to inhuman and degrading treatment. They are rooted, the proceedings are rooted in transgressions, in violation of rights. And the law is very clear on this. Once you bring suspects before court, they are arraigned with any charge, and you have subjected them to inhuman and degrading treatment, or in any way violated their civil liberties or fundamental rights. Those proceedings are a nullity. And this is exactly what is happening here. So we are going to challenge this in the Constitutional Court. Two, as we indicated yesterday, we are going to pursue this with the High Commissioner of Kenya here. The extradition, the extradition law was never followed. The extradition law is very, very clear. Actually, there are two things here. Let me explain this so that you understand it. Were these people extradited or deported? Because for deportation, he must have been in the country illegally, or having entered legally, you commit crimes within that particular country. And in that case, courts of that particular country have to try you, and one of the penalties is to deport you. So if they had entered Kenya illegally, one, you cannot kidnap people from Kenya, from Kisumu, and bring them to be tried in Uganda. So that's why we say these proceedings are nullity, and we're going to subject them to the Constitutional Court test. We hear it from the government of Uganda. Where is the nexus? At least from the proceedings here, they have not indicated that these people were engaged in any activity in Kenya, in Mandamano, in Kenya, or they were doing anything connected to the protests going on in Kenya. It has not been arranged. So that's the reason Kenya government has not preferred any charge against them. As far as we are concerned, the government of Kenya, unless they come out and deny us, they have no issues with these people. They have not violated any law in Kenya. You are asking whether we have proof of their lawful entry of the Kenya. Not the governor of Kisumu. Clear, it's not the governor of Kisumu to clear this. No. What they are saying, no. You have a meeting. You don't need clearance. It's just notification. This is what I wanted to tell you. Kenya, they do not ask you to get clearance to hold an indoor meeting. You get it? But you, courtesy demands that you notify them. And exactly this is what they did. They were duly notified and they had no objection. They gave a nod to this. They have no, you ask them, you cross-check with them if they were not notified about this particular program. How could the whole government of Kenya sanction a program intended to train people in subversive activities? How could this happen? I wish we could get a statement from Kenya. So the other thing we are going to do tomorrow, we are proceeding to the House of Kenya here to present our protest. Present protest report tomorrow before the High Commissioner of Kenya on whatever has happened. Because we believe, and rightly so, that the entry of our forces into Kenya to kidnap our police